Yo, what's good, you guys? Today, we're gonna talk about what crops grow best in aquaponics. Now, when it comes down to what you should grow, there are a couple factors that go into that. The physical location of where you're growing, the size of your grow area, and the nutrient demands of the crops that you're planning on growing. All those are key factors. But when it comes down to what grows best, I think that goes down to how you're gonna grow. Are you growing vertically, like you see behind us, or are you growing in the media beds? Both options allow a variable different produce that you can grow, and we're gonna break down some of the things that we grow down here at the shop that you can grow at your home aquaponics system that's great for both beginners and veterans in the game. Let's hop into it. So we're gonna start with mustard greens. Mustard greens are a great crop for aquaponics. They grow well indoors and outdoors. They grow well in heat and in cold weather, and they're not very nutrient demanding, which means they're great for starters and beginners. What's great with mustard greens as well is that you can continuously grow these. So as they continue to mature, you can cut off the larger plants at the top and leave the smaller ones to continue growing. So here we have romaine lettuce. This is another great crop for beginners when you're just starting out. It has a quick turnover so you can easily follow along and keep up with the schedule. It's also not very nutrient demanding, so you don't have to worry about it clashing with other crops that you may have inside the system. So now we got this arugula right here. It's another crop that's great for your aquaponics system. It is a little bit more demanding though. You have to be wary of your phosphorus and your potassium levels, but outside of that, it has a great turnover, and you can continuously cut this crop as well. As it grows and matures, you can cut down those leaves and let it mature and continue to grow. Kale is another crop that we grow down here at the store. It grows well in aquaponics, as you can see here. And we love it because it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not very demanding when it comes to the nutrients, and it's very easy to maintain. It's another continually growing crop, so you can have this inside your system for months and cut off the larger leaves at the ends and let the bigger ones continue to grow as well. So we like that portion of it the best. So when it comes to what crops are best to grow in aquaponics, you can see that a plethora of different things can be grown in an aquaponics system. But it really depends on how your system is designed. Is your system designed to support the nutrient dependency of the crops inside your system? So if you're gonna put something in there like tomatoes that require a lot of nutrients, be sure that you have a system that is designed to support that. So if you have any questions further that we can answer down here at the shop, feel free to reach out to us. But until next time, peace.